I hear a copy got looking for conditions around a mini grass. Old Fatcat in Hawaii. Who that? I think is in the Carolinas looking for conditions. Fatcat in a mini grass says, come on down.
Appreciate it, Mr. 497. Blessed day back to you. I got down.
Hey, Tomcat, Fatcat in Hawaii. Hello, Tomcat, Fatcat's Mobile. Hello, Tomcat, cat to cat. The Fatcat is clear.
I wonder if I can get in that wire. I wonder if I can talk in the mini grass this afternoon. Oh, Amos in the Carolinas around the mini grass reading the mail.
And you can talk around Hawaii, man, with no pain, no strings when you lay some DB down like you do, man. Ain't no pain, no strain when you lay the hammer down in a mini grass. Old Fatcat in a mini grass says, come on down.
Oh, dear Fatcat, I just wanted to see if I could wait for him. Afternoon time, take care on that end, Mr. Fatcat in the mini grass. Oh, Amos Johnson in the Carolinas got down.
And Hammer Johnson got it going on, man. And you put that fucking hammer down and making a big splash around the mini grass. Sound like one of my neighbors. Take a Hammer Johnson, Fatcat in Hawaii. Hammer, Fatcat says aloha from the mini grass state. Break, break, break.
10, Fatcat, we blessed, folks. Fatcat in the mini grass, Amos Johnson gone.
Hey, Hammer Johnson. Hey, Hammer Johnson, I'm going to give you a playback, man. I'm going to let you hear what you sound like when you drop that hammer around the mini grass. And Hammer Johnson, this one's for you. Bye, Hammer Johnson, Fatcat. Holla.
So then, Fatcat, appreciate it. Spoke later. Mr. Fatcat, oh, Amos is gone.
Aloha.
What about a 497, 2 6s and 2 9s, New Jersey? What about a 497, 2 9s, New Jersey? No problem? Yeah, man.
Hey, 26 29. Forget about 497 New Mexico because you're making a splash around the mini grass. Hello, 26 29, Fatcat in Hawaii. Hello, 26 29, Fatcat's Mobile in a minute. Break, break, break.
Right back, right there, right now, Fatcat.
Bye, 26629. Hey, 26629. Belated Happy New Year's around your end, man. It's been a while since I talked to you. Take it, 26629 around New Jersey. Sounded real good around the mini grass. 26629 Fatcat. 26629 worldwide. World class Fatcat working his mobile in Honolulu. Break, break, break.
Right now, Fatcat.
Bye, 26629. Bump it on you later. I hit the auto station trying to ride with you, man. I ain't grabbed that whole 28, but I'm going to wave your way too. Take it once again. 26629 out of New Jersey. Bump it on you later. 26629 is where you make a big splash in a mini grass. 26629. Oh, Mr. Fatcat cruising his mobile in islands. Break, break, break. Hello, my homeboy. Hello, Cat Daddy in the Carolinas. Top of the evening around your end, man. I hope you had a good Super Bowl weekend around your end. Hello, Cat Daddy. Cat to cat. The Fatcat in Honolulu. Clear. Break, break, break. there, Cat Daddy. Right there, Cat Daddy. You definitely said that sounding good in copy control room. I appreciate the flowers, man. But you gotta save something for yourself. Take care, Cat Daddy. Here's a free playback around your end. Bye, Cat Daddy. Fat Cat in a mobile cruising around Honolulu. Break, break, break. Bye, Cat Daddy. Bye, Cat Daddy. Till we bump it down again. Take care, my friend. Cat Daddy, your friend in the islands. Cat to Cat, the Fat Cat. Clear the mobile in Honolulu. Break, break, break. Hello, Shoeshine boy. Hey, Shoeshine, you said you come out of Kansas City. That's what I heard. But I got it down. Shoeshine boy showing up around a minute. Shoeshine boy, Fat Cat in a minute grass. What'd you say? Break, break, break. For Shoeshine boy, you say you was trying to yell at me for the longest, man. I do apologize, man. Mother Nature's ain't in a condition for your end there. But it's sure not for real coming around, because I did hear you call my name, and I appreciate the comeback and throwing my name in the Hall of Fame. Shoeshine boy, I'm going to do you the favor right back, because you made the trip to Honolulu. Take care, Shoeshine boy. Oh, Mr. Fat Cat cruising on the islands. Shoeshine boy, well, you let a hammer down in Honolulu. Shoeshine, Fat Cat with the wave. Aloha. Bye, Shoeshine. Bye, Shoeshine. Bye, Shoeshine. You take care, man. Bump it on you later. Bless it around the household. Shoeshine boy, old Fat Cat. Shoeshine boy, Fat Cat working this pick 'em up truck around the mini grass. Shoeshine boy, Fat Cat, and I got down. Hello, around New Jersey. I heard 100, I ain't get the whole 28, but I heard 100 something around New Jersey, man. And he making a trip to around a mini grass. Come on back with that call sign, Fat Cat in Honolulu, standing on by. Hey, I think it was 197. Man, I got Chucky plug in my ears right about now, but I did hear big brother. But like I said, man, don't fucking condition turn. I got Chucky back in my radio. I can't get rid of that doll in my radio. So I think it was 197, man. If I'm wrong, I do apologize. But old Fat Cat cruising in Honolulu says, come on down one more time. Man, I apologize, man. Them boys making it rough, man. Them boys making it rough. I got that 100 down. I ain't gonna get that out of two numbers, but I'm gonna wave my hand anyway. And I hope we get better conditions, man. Old Fat Cat Mobile cruising around Honolulu will say happy 2013 wave belated. And I hope you had a beautiful Super Bowl Sunday. Old Fat Cat in the islands. Fat Cat working his mobile around the mini grass. Break, break, break. How's my 65 Roger in Arkansas? Hello, 65 in Arkansas. You made a trip. I'm going to call your name and put it in the Hall of Fame. Hello, 65. Or you do your thing around the mini grass. 65 Fat Cats Mobile waving right back. Break, break, break.
in the whole yard, 7. I'm gone.
By 65, while you cruising out of the hog yard and you're showing up around the mini grass. Take it 65, bump it down on you later. 65, Fat Cat. 65 out of the hog yard. 65, oh Mr. Fat Cat walking and talking his Moby around a minute. Break.